Hello, I have some tabletop plants to share with you guys, and they will need good air circulation, or you can place at the table near some window. They will need indirect good bright light. So I have got this cutting of Coleus purple from my mother plant, which is planted currently at my nanny's house. It's a very old plant, I think as old as me, because her friend gave her this, and it shedded a lot of leaves when I placed it in water, but I will soon be repotting. It has good bright light leaves that look so gorgeous with light pink veins. Next, I have this Gymnoclacium mihanovichii Black Widow, which is about to bloom with pink flowers. The other one which I have is not blooming, but this one is on sale on Woke Up Fluffy on my Instagram, so you can buy it. Of course, this will be sent after it blooms because during transportation, this blooms can fall. But it's so cute. Okay, this one is my favorite, and I rescued it the last summer because it was so hot. The temperature reached around 48 to 50 degrees in North India. This is Philodendron Ceylon Gold with neon kind of leaves, and I love plants to be bushy. This one is absolutely favorite of mine. It's just that kind of plant which catches eye and will look so pretty on your table. The next one is variegated string of hearts pink. I actually this is my third trial and it's living like doing fine. I just love this string of hearts. It's so cute. It just it just makes makes your table look alive, and it's very easy to care. In fact, all these plants are very easy to care. Particularly this one, don't give it water a lot. This one is my recent purchase. This is Juniperus shimpaku. I love Japanese kind of bonsai style, so I am currently trying to shape it with wire. I need to change the wire, but it's so bushy. Also, I just noticed just now the leaves are growing with these tiny light green tips, which again is a unique plant to keep. This one is Spring Fling Caladium, and the last one in my list. Okay, I never thought that it will give me pink leaves because the humidity varies from 10% to 95%, and I bought this from Nagaland. So I just was so surprised when it gave me pink leaves, and it has risen from its dormancy. It still has green leaves, and it just is so nice plant. Just look at this plant. It will catch all of the eyes, especially if you are placing these in your office. Yeah, it will be a hot topic. Also, like, plant adds so much life to this space.